Hi, this video is to help show you how to create a moving target using PowerPoint. I've already taken a picture and I have downloaded it from the internet. I decided on a clip art of a fly this time. And then I took a background eraser tool and I erased the background and saved it as a PNG file. I've opened up PowerPoint and I'm ready to go and get started with our project. First thing I'm going to do is click on the Create a New Worksheet, and I'm using a blank one for this example. I'm going to get rid of all of the information that's on there, so I'm going to take the text boxes away. And when I'm ready, I'd like to change the background. So I'm going to go over to the theme, and I'm going to select a dark background. It's a lot more helpful to have a darker background with a lighter object in the front to project items, especially in well-lit rooms. When I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and head back over and pull in my picture that I created. Here's the little bug that I found on the internet. If I want to resize it, I can. I'm going to leave it kind of large right now so that it will stay. And then I'm going to find the location I would like to set up for it to start. I'm going to start in this corner right here. I'm now going to go to the animation button, and then over on the side I'm going to do the draw pathway button. It's up there at the top, you'll see it a little bit. And then I'm going to go click on the draw freeform. All of the other options allow me to kind of create a self-guided one so that I don't have to do a lot, but I like the draw freeform because I can do anything I want with it. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the object and hold my mouse button down while I actually start to draw around the actual screen. And I know the screen is kind of hard to see, but you'll see I'm going all the way around and I'm drawing wherever I want that picture to eventually go. And I can be as complicated or as silly as I want or as direct as I want if I want to make it really super easy. Eventually I'm going to make it way back over to where it starts and you'll see that it connects. Then I will click on it and you see how the animation goes super quickly. Inside of the animation button you have some information here that we can add under the effects options. For the after animation, we want to make sure it doesn't dim. It doesn't want to go away. I also can auto reverse down there. And then you can also add in a sound. It'd be kind of funny to have a buzzing sound in here, but it doesn't look like you have one. But at the bottom, it looks like you can add in another sound from another resource. You can also add in, the second part is the timing, and you can change the settings for it. Is this where you're starting, how the duration, how many seconds you want to go? I'm going to go ahead and change the delay to what I want to be. So I'll change it up to a few seconds. And then at the section where it says repeat, I'm going to make sure that it says to repeat the animation. We'll repeat until the next click so that it'll keep going until I want to stop it. Let's take a look at what the animation will look like. This is the speed that I set up for it. If I didn't like this, I can go back and change all of the settings. I've also noticed that the wings go outside of the viewing area. I might want to change that. So have fun, enjoy. If you have any questions, please let me know.